In this video, I'm decorating for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're part of the creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. In this video, I'm making a centerpiece, and I'm going to show you the items that I will be using. Now I'm using the 2 white Dollar Tree trees. And then I'm using the lime green poinsettias. I ordered them offline, and I'm using this kind of lime yellow or fluorescent green, that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then the silver ones that I picked up at the Epic Dollar Store last year, and these green ornaments I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And then these snow picks, it was one pick. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. I split it in half. These picks here, I picked up at the Epic Dollar Store. They were $1.99 a piece. And I'll be using some pipe cleaner ties. The green, those cost, I think, $2 a piece. And the lime ones were, I think, $3 a piece. Those were $2.99. Of course, you know that was $1. I've had that a while. I'm using that Dollar Tree. That costs $4.99. I'm really pleased with the ones I have. I went to Hobby Lobby. They were out of the lime green. Now this video is part of my Vlogmas, so I thought I would take you along as I went through this journey. Now here I'm adding one more flower, and then I'm going to show you the final look of this centerpiece. Here is how my centerpiece looks. I think it came out really cute. I know it's going to be beautiful on the table when I add the other pieces on the table with it. I'm really liking how it turned out, showing my lime green and the silver and the mint green. I'm happy with it. So let me know down below what you think of my centerpiece. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.